Castor Oil. This simple, natural solution possesses extraordinary healing powers and can address multiple issues, some of which may have persisted for years. Let me take you through how castor oil can be used to tackle common health concerns, from skin issues to muscle pain, and everything in between. Benefits number 1. Treating chapped lips with castor oil. Let's start with a problem many of us have faced. Chapped lips. You've probably tried countless lip balms, but sometimes no matter how often you reapply, the dryness lingers. The skin on our lips is much more delicate than the rest of our body, and as we age, it becomes even more prone to drying out, whether due to cold winds in winter or the scorching sun in summer. Our lips lack the oil glands that help other parts of the skin retain moisture. That's where castor oil steps in as an incredibly effective natural solution. Castor oil is rich in essential fatty acids and vitamin E, which deeply moisturize and nourish the lips. Unlike commercial lip balms that may temporarily relieve dryness, castor oil provides deep hydration and helps restore the natural softness of your lips. The best time to use it is before you go to bed. Simply apply a small drop to your fingertips and gently spread it across your lips. While you sleep, the oil works its magic, soaking into your skin and repairing the damage. By morning, you'll wake up with lips that are smooth and hydrated, free from the dry, cracked skin you've been battling. It's a simple addition to your nighttime routine, but the results can be incredible. Benefits number 2. Healing dry, cracked heels with castor oil. Now let's talk about something a little further south, our feet. Cracked, dry heels are a common issue that can be painful and unsightly. If you've ever experienced this, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Whether it's from walking barefoot, wearing shoes that don't support your feet, or simply from neglect, cracked heels are stubborn and often require intensive care to heal. Castor oil, with its thick consistency and rich moisture content, is the perfect remedy for this. Its ability to penetrate deeply into the skin makes it ideal for treating tough areas like the heels. Here's how you can use it. Apply a few drops of castor oil to the affected areas, gently massaging it into the skin. The oil will work to lock in moisture, promoting healing and preventing further cracking. For best results, do this before bed and wear a pair of clean, cotton socks afterward. The socks help keep the oil in place and create a warm environment for deeper absorption. When you wake up, you'll notice your feet feel softer and more hydrated. And with consistent use, you can transform those dry, cracked heels into smooth, healthy skin. Benefits number 3. Thickening your eyebrows with castor oil. As we get older, many of us start to notice that our eyebrows, once full and thick, become sparse and thin. Whether from overplucking, hormonal changes, or the natural aging process, thinning eyebrows can change the way we look, often making us appear older than we feel. But there's good news. Castor oil can be an excellent solution for encouraging eyebrow growth and thickness. Packed with essential fatty acids, proteins, and vitamin E, castor oil nourishes hair follicles and stimulates growth. By regularly applying castor oil to your eyebrows, you can strengthen the existing hairs and encourage new ones to grow, leading to fuller, healthier-looking brows over time. To use it, spray a small amount of castor oil onto a cotton swab or your fingertips and gently dab it onto your eyebrows. Focus especially on the areas that need more volume. You can also use a clean mascara wand to brush the oil through your eyebrows, ensuring even distribution. The thick texture of castor oil helps it stay in place without dripping, so it's easy to leave it on overnight. With consistent nightly application, many people start seeing results in just a few weeks. So if you've been dreaming of bringing back the fullness of your brows, castor oil might just be the simple solution you've been looking for. Benefits number 4. Boosting immunity by applying castor oil to the navel. Here's a lesser-known use for castor oil that might surprise you. Applying it to the belly button. In traditional remedies, the belly button is believed to be connected to various nerves that influence the body's internal systems. By applying castor oil to this area, you can stimulate these nerves and potentially give your immune system a gentle boost. This is how it works. Castor oil contains rinoleic acid, known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which may help enhance the body's natural defenses. To try this remedy, simply lie down and spray a small amount of castor oil onto your belly button. Gently massage the area in circular motions for a minute or two, allowing the oil to soak into your skin. Doing this before bed is ideal because it gives your body the time to absorb the oil overnight. While scientific research on this practice is still limited, many people in traditional medicine believe it has significant health benefits. If you're looking for a simple, natural way to support your immune system, this method is worth a try. Benefits number 5. Reducing under-eye puffiness and dark circles with castor oil. One of the most common cosmetic concerns as we age is the appearance of dark circles and puffiness under the eyes. These signs of fatigue can be frustrating, especially when they persist despite getting enough sleep. The skin under the eyes is incredibly delicate, making it prone to dehydration, puffiness, and fine lines. Fortunately, castor oil can help. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a great option for soothing the skin and reducing under-eye bags. Additionally, its natural moisturizing qualities help lock in hydration, smoothing out fine lines and lightening dark circles over time. To use castor oil in this way, spray a small amount onto a cotton swab or your fingertip and gently dab it under your eyes, starting from the inner corner and moving outward. The key here is to use a light touch, as the skin in this area is very sensitive. Make it a part of your nightly routine, applying it before bed so the oil can work overnight. Some people notice a difference in just a few days, while for others, it may take a few weeks of consistent use. Either way, incorporating castor oil into your beauty routine can help refresh and rejuvenate the delicate skin around your eyes. Benefits number 6. Relieving lower back pain with castor oil. Finally, let's talk about something that affects many of us: lower back pain. Whether from sitting at a desk for long hours, poor posture, or the general stress of daily life, back pain can be a real obstacle, affecting your mobility and comfort. While there are many ways to address this issue, one natural remedy that can provide relief is castor oil. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil can help soothe sore muscles and ease tension in the lower back. By massaging it into the skin, you also stimulate blood circulation, which helps with muscle relaxation. To use castor oil for back pain, spray a small amount directly onto your lower back and gently massage the area in circular motions. The warmth generated from the massage helps the oil penetrate deeply, providing quicker relief. For added benefit, place a warm towel over the area after applying the oil, allowing the heat to further relax your muscles. By incorporating this into your nightly routine, you'll start to feel less tension and more flexibility in your lower back. Benefits number 7. Stimulating hair growth and preventing hair loss with castor oil. Hair thinning and loss can be a frustrating and disheartening experience, especially as we grow older. However, castor oil offers a natural and straightforward remedy to help combat this issue. When massaged into the scalp, castor oil works to stimulate hair growth while also fortifying the hair follicles, preventing further hair loss. What makes castor oil so effective is its rich composition of essential fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid and vitamin E. These nutrients deeply nourish both the scalp and the hair roots, creating an optimal environment for hair growth. When you apply a small amount of castor oil directly onto your scalp and gently massage it in, you're doing more than just moisturizing the surface. You're improving blood circulation to the hair follicles. This increased blood flow ensures that the hair roots receive more oxygen and nutrients, which are critical for promoting stronger and healthier hair. For best results, apply a small amount of castor oil before bed, massaging it into your scalp for a few minutes. Let the oil sit overnight, giving it ample time to absorb fully into the skin and follicles. With consistent use over time, you'll likely begin to notice your hair looking and feeling thicker, more voluminous, and less prone to falling out. This simple yet effective routine can lead to significant improvements in the overall health of your hair, helping you regain the fullness and strength that you may have lost. Benefits number 8. Speeding up healing of minor cuts and scrapes with castor oil. Minor cuts, scrapes, and skin abrasions are inevitable parts of life, but as we age, our skin's ability to heal quickly may diminish. Thankfully, castor oil can be a valuable tool in speeding up the healing process while also reducing the risk of infection. This natural oil is known for its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, making it an excellent solution for preventing germs from entering the wound and helping the skin regenerate faster. To use castor oil for cuts and scrapes, begin by thoroughly cleaning the affected area with water and a mild antiseptic. This ensures that any dirt or debris is removed. Once clean, spray a small amount of castor oil directly onto the wound. The oil forms a protective barrier over the injury, locking in moisture and creating an ideal environment for healing. Additionally, castor oil's fatty acids play a key role in promoting skin regeneration, allowing the damaged tissue to repair itself more efficiently. For the best results, apply the oil twice a day, once in the morning and once again before bedtime. If the cut or scrape is in a location where it may be rubbed or exposed to bacteria, consider covering it with a clean bandage after applying the oil. This not only helps to protect the wound, but also allows the castor oil to penetrate deeper into the skin. By following this simple routine, you'll find that minor wounds heal faster and more safely, without the need for harsh chemicals or synthetic ointments. Benefits number 9. Strengthening nails and preventing breakage with castor oil. Weak, brittle nails that chip or break easily can be a persistent problem for many people, especially those who frequently expose their hands to water, chemicals, or other harsh conditions. If you've been struggling to keep your nails healthy and strong, castor oil offers a natural, nutrient-rich solution. Packed with essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and proteins, castor oil can significantly nourish your nails and the surrounding skin, promoting stronger, healthier growth. By spraying a small amount of castor oil onto your nails and massaging it in, you're creating a protective layer that helps to seal in moisture, preventing your nails from drying out and becoming more prone to breakage. The oil also penetrates deeply into the nail bed, encouraging healthier and faster growth at the root. For optimal results, apply castor oil to your nails each night before bed. Spray a small amount onto the nails and cuticles and gently massage each nail for a minute or two. The massaging action not only helps the oil absorb, but also stimulates blood flow to the nail bed, further encouraging growth. Within just a few days of regular use, you may notice your nails appearing shinier, feeling stronger, and becoming less prone to breaking. Over time, this simple habit can lead to healthier, more resilient nails. Benefits number 10. Treating dandruff and dry scalp with castor oil. Dandruff is a common and often frustrating problem, leaving the scalp feeling dry, itchy, and flaky. While dandruff shampoos are available, many contain harsh chemicals that can strip your hair of its natural oils. Castor oil provides a natural, gentle alternative that not only treats the symptoms of dandruff but also addresses the root cause, often linked to fungal growth on the scalp. Castor oil's thick, moisturizing properties work to hydrate the scalp, while its antifungal and antibacterial components, particularly ricinoleic acid, help combat the underlying fungal infection responsible for dandruff. When applied to the scalp, castor oil soothes irritation, moisturizes dry patches, and prevents further flaking, resulting in a healthier, flake-free scalp. To use castor oil for dandruff, spray a small amount onto the areas of the scalp most affected by flaking. Massage the oil into the scalp for several minutes, allowing it to penetrate the skin. For best results, leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight, before washing it out with a mild shampoo. Repeat this treatment 2 to 3 times a week, and you should begin to notice a significant reduction in dandruff and overall scalp irritation. Precautions when using castor oil. While castor oil is highly effective for a range of beauty and health concerns, there are a few precautions to keep in mind to ensure you use it safely and effectively. Avoid using too much. Castor oil is thick and highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Overuse can make your hair or skin excessively greasy and harder to clean. It's best to apply a light amount and use it regularly rather than applying too much at once, which can also clog pores. Use pure oil. Whenever possible, opt for pure, organic castor oil. Oils that contain additives or chemicals may irritate your skin and reduce the benefits of castor oil. High-quality, cold-pressed oil ensures you get the most out of its natural properties. Always check labels to ensure you're using pure oil. Patch test first. Before applying castor oil to a large area of skin, Perform a patch test by applying a small amount to the inside of your wrist and waiting 24 hours. If you experience any redness, itching, or irritation, it's best to avoid using castor oil in that area. It's always better to be cautious. Avoid open wounds. Castor oil is great for minor cuts and scrapes, but avoid using it on deeper wounds or open sores, as it may cause irritation or discomfort. Allow more serious wounds to heal before applying castor oil. Don't use heat. Refrain from heating castor oil before application, as high temperatures can diminish its natural healing properties. Always use castor oil at room temperature for maximum effectiveness. Wash out thoroughly. When applying castor oil to your hair, make sure to wash it out thoroughly afterward. The thick consistency of the oil can leave a greasy residue if not properly rinsed out, making your hair feel heavy. Use a gentle shampoo to cleanse your hair completely. Avoid overuse. Applying castor oil 2 to 3 times per week is sufficient for most purposes. Overuse can clog pores or cause your skin to become too oily. Moderation is key to getting the best results without any unwanted side effects. Watch for reactions. If you notice any discomfort, redness, or itching after using castor oil, discontinue use immediately. You could have a sensitivity or allergy to the oil. If symptoms persist, consult a healthcare professional. Protect your clothes and furniture. Castor oil can be quite thick and may stain fabrics. To avoid this, consider covering areas where you've applied the oil with a towel or cloth, especially before going to bed, to protect your sheets and clothing from unwanted stains. Incorporating castor oil into your daily beauty and health routine can yield numerous benefits, from stronger hair and nails to a healthier scalp and faster healing for minor wounds. With just a few simple precautions, castor oil can become a valuable and natural addition to your self-care regimen.